Travis Scott merch finally pulled up. When they say 4 to 10 weeks, they mean it.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
Something like this.
Boom. But today we are here to talk about my first ever Jordan 1 low pickup in history. Yes, sir. I decided to finally pull a trigger on a Jordan 1. And I'm going to be honest. I thought that the Jordan 1 low that I was first ever going to put in my collection was the Travis Scott joints. Boom. But I went with the shattered backboard joints, man. I just couldn't put a $1,500 price tag on them Jordan 1s. If they go down to maybe $1,300, I might pull a trigger. But I just can't see myself spending $1,500 on a Jordan 1 low when I'm such a high OG guy, man.
Cartier Jones on the soundtrack.
But Shattered Backboards second place, not that bad. Quick story on Shattered Backboards. I only own 3.0s. I did have the satin joints that came for the woman, but I just felt like as soon as I put those on, the whole satin would just crumble. So I only own 3.0s. And the reason for that is because when 1.0s came out, I wasn't feeling them. And then when 2.0s came out, I felt like they were a woman's shoe. 3.0 came out, I said I gotta put at least one of these in my collection. So that's why I only own the 3.0. Now back to these lows here. I feel like these are meant to be lows. Pretty orange, man. I love the burnt orange. Halloween is coming. I just like them, man. I'm really not sure why they came out in women and they came out in men. But maybe it's a sizing thing, but it's totally identical, man. So enough talking. Let's get into the review. Unboxing time. I promise, I'm not even gonna rant. If you're new to the channel, you won't understand. All my day ones, y'all understand. We don't understand why Jordan won't change the Jordan 1 box. Especially since it's a low. It should be a different colors, different texture, something, man. But you seen one, you seen them all. You got your original OG Jordan 1 box. As I told you, this is the woman version. I actually won this raffle at Sneakers and stuff. I wasn't even sure it was a difference between women and men in the same sneaker, but this is the woman version, guys. So keep that in mind. But I did check out the men version when I picked these up, and they look identical to me. Flip open the lid. There go your quality control stamp Nike swoosh. I haven't done that in a long time. I had so many videos to do that I haven't been doing that, and I apologize. Your same white tissue paper. Let's get into the shoe. Speaking of having a lot of videos to do, I got so many more coming up. I got the free lunch, social status dunks, and I tried the undefeated dunks one more time. I brought the first ones. They're bricks. They're nice, but they're bricks. The second one's the blue with the rattlesnake. I wasn't feeling them. The third ones, these black joints, I'm trying them again. As soon as they get in here, the video will be up. Back to the Shattered Backboard. Yes, sir. So like I told y'all, man, I don't know how I ever slept on the Shattered Backboard colorway. In hand, these are different. As I told you, I only own the 3.0s, and I had the satin joints. They look nothing like this colorway right here, man. So, Jordan 1 low, you start with the back. There go your air wings, Jordan 1 logo. If you know on the high OGs, this is usually up here, but we don't have a up here, being that is a low. So that's fitted right on the back right there. Come around, you got a black swoosh and regular leather material. They go the inside, the white silhouette inside. And Shattered Backboard is known for their tumbleness, but not on this pair here. I mean, you do see little remnants, little tumbleness, but nothing like the OGs. And I think that would have put these sneakers over the top, and it would have pushed some of y'all Jordan High OGs down to the lows. I didn't say the mids, I said the lows. So you go down. That burnt orange is so pretty, guys. As y'all can see it. Your toe box here. A little bit of bounce back. No tumbleness, but definitely some bounce back. It comes with two different shoestrings. You got your Shattered Backboard orange, and then you got your regular white. This is not sail white, this is regular white. Your tongue, got the Nike Dunk look. It says Nike Air up there. I love the texture and the color of this tongue. It is white, but it seems to be a little off from that white there. That white is brighter. It could just be the texture though. Try to get this shoe tree out. And your insoles read Nike Air in white. Your bottom has that Nike Uptown look, Nike Dunk look. It's all orange. So let me know what you guys think about the whole Shattered Backboard situation. When I slept on the 1.0s and when I've got the 3.0s and I decided to go back and get 1.0s, the price I felt like was outrageous. But as we've seen since then, that was maybe what, 3-4 years ago, when they re-released. Since then, the price on Jordan 1s has been just jumping, especially if it's a collab. So looking back in hindsight, paying that $400-500 for that Jordan 1 Shattered Backboard back then wasn't outrageous, because now you got Travis Scott lows. It's going for $1,500, dog. In that comment section, please help me out. Y'all think the Jordan 1 Travis Scott lows are going for $1,500 because it's Travis Scott or because it's fragment? Please let me know in that comment section below. I do feel like the whole release was very bad, but I felt like we was going to get more pairs, man, and I personally think that's the reason we at $1,500. But let me know in the comment section below, man. So if I do pay the $1,500, I could kind of justify it. But this is a review on the Shattered Backboard low. Let me know if y'all was able to cop, man. I think they dope. I'm not even gonna lie, man. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody get rich.